How to blur background in Gimp. Let's say I wish to blur background on this image here. So first I need to take this free select tool and I need to select the object that I don't want to blur. So this may take a time and try to be as precise as possible. And now I need to connect last and first point. So now I selected the object that I don't want to blur. So what I need to do next, I need to click here on select and then click here on invert, because I wish to invert this. I wish to blur only thing that I didn't select. So now just click here on filters, go on blur and then go on Gaussian blur. So now when you drag these sliders, you can see I'm actually blurring only background. I'm not blurring the object, or in this case I'm not blurring this girl, I'm only blurring the background. As you can see right here, you can stop when you are satisfied with the background blur that you actually made. After that, just click here on OK, and then just click here on File, click here on Export As, and export this image to your desktop. So this is how you blur background in Gimp.